Hello, folks. Well, I guess I really put my foot in it this time. Had a couple emails about me coming down on millennials, saying, "Payne, why do you hate all millennials?" First, I need to tell you, I don't hate all millennials. No. You stand with the United States, and if you adhere to the United States of America's guidelines, which include, but are not limited to, God, guns, pussy, and automobiles that burn some fossil fuels, you're good with me. You're good. And this is why I'm making this video. I want to apologize to any of you American millennials that I have offended. And I'm going to help you. I'm going to help you gain some traction in the opposite sex society. I'm going to help you get closer to your goal. You know how we're going to do that? By pizza. And also, you're going to like the fact that it's cheap. You're going to be able to freeze these things, put them in your freezer, pull them out whenever you want, and when you're hungry, and eat them, and they're going to cost you much more than a big bowl of ramen. So I'm going to show you. This is cheap. First thing we got to do is we got to figure out what you're going to do for some dough. Now, everybody knows I like making my own dough. But this is for you millennials out there that need help. But if you do have it hankering to make your own dough, I'll drop a card here for Dough 101 that'll help you. But I don't think a lot of you have the time to be pressing out dough, or you got a stand mixer at in your apartment dorm or whatever. It's not something maybe you guys can do. So I'm going to make this real easy for you. Now, all this stuff I've bought at the Great Wall of Mart. Now, these are pita breads. You can use these as what we're going to use today. You can use that naan bread, whatever type of bread you want. Okay? Just remember, this is not a pizza that's like deluxe. This is just above bowling alley pizza. This is a step above bowling alley pizza. And I'm going to show you a way to make it a couple more steps. So this is your crust right here. Very simple. I've cut up some ham, some mushrooms. I got some onions right here, and pepperoni. All available at the Walmart. Now I need to remind you, some people have heard me tell you this before. When it comes to pizza toppings, don't go crazy. Keep it to like a maximum of 4. Maximum of 4 toppings. Because once when you go beyond that, you get 5, 6, 7, 8 toppings in there. It kind of muddies the pizza. It's just too busy. Keep it down low. I think actually the best amount of toppings is 3. But in this case, I'm going with my favorite 4. Now, let's talk sauce. Now, you go to the Great Wall of Mart, you're going to see all kinds of sauces out there. All kinds of pizza sauces available. And if you want the one step above bowling alley pizza, go ahead and get that. If you want to blow this chick's mind, you want them to think, what the hell did he put on that pizza? That's good. That's good. Good. Get yourself some of this. Take a look at that, people. Now, this is in the ethnic section of your Great Wall of Mart. This stuff goes good on anything. Chicken. I put it on hamburger, sandwich, whatever. And it makes a good pizza sauce, too. You'll like it. Like I said, 2 steps above bowling alley pizza. The great thing about this pizza, make a few of them, put some saran wrap on them, throw them in the freezer and freeze them up. Pull them out whenever you want. You might not have a way to get the Little Caesars and get a $5, $6 pizza. You might not have the money to have Domino's deliver you $30, $40 worth of pizza. Bring these out of the freezer. When that chick is sitting there, you say, "Hey, babe, I'm going to make me a little personal pizza. You want to share it?" And she says, "Yeah." You got to say, "Hey, girl, this is a combo meal. You got to have pizza and penis." That's when she bites into that pizza, she'll be like, hell, his penis must be pretty fucking good. So anyhow, I'm going to build this thing. I'm going to show you guys how simple it is. You're going to be like, when you taste it, you're going to say, pain sets you straight. I'm going to build this pizza on a pizza screen. You can bake it on whatever you want. This is going to be our crust. I want to put this side up. Got all the little nooks and crannies. Next thing's next. Sauce. Oh man, that stuff smells good. You guys just don't know, man. Part skim, low moisture mozzarella cheese. I wish it would be whole milk, but what are you going to do? Some of that on there. Now pepperonis. I'm going to load up on the pepperonis. Now some ham. Look at that. Now there's some ham, boys. Now your next bit is going to be your mushrooms. Especially when you're using fresh mushrooms like I am right now. You don't want to put them on the top, not on the very top. You want something with some moisture so they can suck it up. Now for some onions. Now me, so I don't plan on banging some college spinner chick right now. You might want to be careful with the onions. At least brush your teeth after. You got your chick in a compromising position. You don't want to have onion breath. Good. And this, my friends, my America-loving millennial friends, is going to be your pizza. You can saran wrap this, throw it in the freezer, and it'll be ready whenever you're ready. When you get a hankering, pull one out. I'm going to show you how to cook it. Okay, a lot of you college millennials may not even have an oven in your house. But if you were smart, you'd have had Bernie Sanders give you one of these tabletop toaster ovens. This thing works well for small dorm rooms and whatnot. And we're going to cook this thing 400 degrees for 12 minutes. Normally, if it's fresh dough, I'd put that on the bottom rack. But since it's already cooked, it's going on the middle rack. 400 degrees, 12 minutes. You might have to go a little longer when you get frozen. Maybe add 2-3 minutes, but not a whole lot longer. We're about halfway through the cooking cycle. Starting to melt up pretty good. And this, my millennial friends, is the finished product. Now, I need to tell you, full disclosure here, I did put it on broil for a minute. I want to get that cheese nice and brown, and that's part of the problem using part skim mozzarella. It just doesn't, I don't know, there's a melting process that doesn't quite fit right, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Let's cut into this mother. I got my handy dandy pizza slicer. This is your deal, boys and girls. This is what's going to get you to the promised land. You tell your girl you need, give her this combo meal. Pizza and penis combo meal. Let's try it out. Here we go. Take a look at that. Oh, right off the bat, I'm getting hit with that tiki masala. Yep. Definitely 2 runs up from bowling out a pizza for sure. I'm going 3 rungs up. You have 3 steps up from bowling out a pizza, man. Just remember, you make a whole shitload of these when you make one. Freeze the rest. Pull them out, and you're good to go. I'm telling you, that little spinner will be coming back for more. And they know that it's the combo meal that they're after. Pizza and penis. Look at it. I don't know if I can show you the bottom too good, but holds up perfect. I'm not supporting it anyway. I'm just grabbing it by the little end. That tiki masala, that's a must though. It is a little expensive. That jar is like $3.88. But it's worth it. Whatever you do, don't tell any of your millennial colleagues what your secret is. Because you don't want them offering the combo meal of pizza and penis. You don't want to do that. I'll tell you what, Netflix and chill ain't got shit on this. This is a lot cheaper too. And it's crispy. Bottom's crispy enough. Wow. Last piece. It's still holding up. Oh yeah. Good thing is, they're small enough you can put 2 of these in your toaster oven. I bet. This is my gift to you. My olive branch. So just remember, you American millennials, I'm normally not talking to you. I'm talking to those ones that want to get offended, that looking for attention. Just remember, God, guns, pussy, and automobiles. And they have to burn fossil fuel. I'm not talking no fucking full-on electric car. This is like Tesla S or something, some super fast fucker. That might get a pass. Appreciate you guys watching. Tasty, tender little vittles there. All for you millennials. Trade secret, that tiki masala from Pakakis, whatever the fuck you call it. Right there in the ethnic section. Right there in the ethnic section of your Great Wall Mart. You like it, put that shit on anything. Alright, I appreciate it. Not all millennials are bad. Face it. Ah!